Is this wired at, what are you wired to on it? Half ohm, okay. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Is this wired at, what are you wired to on it? Half ohm, okay. Nice. 90 amp hours of lithium. 2-to-1 ratio fourth. Can I come in?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Nice. All right, man. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Name is Jonathan. I got two Sundown X V3 D2s wired at half ohm on a single Assault 8K. I got a limitless 45 amp battery and a JY 45 amp battery.
Very nice. And it's a fourth order?
2-to-1 fourth.
2-to-1 fourth. Very nice. Where are you peaking at on it?
33 hertz with the driver door open, still 46 hertz.
Okay. Sweet. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Nice. You've done a lot of work in the cabin, I can tell.
Yeah, I did a lot in here.
Have you, just one more question, what is your SPL score on this? Have you tested it at all?
Yes, it did a 156.9. clamping, 7,078 watts at 33 hertz with the driver door open.
Okay, very nice.
And 56.6 mic on dash, driver door open, also at 33 hertz.
Awesome. For 215, that's doing good.
Yes,
awesome,
sir.
man. Congrats, man. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough we just got of Jonathan's system. Looking forward to showing y'all how his fourth order sounds. 2 15-inch subwoofers in this box. You can't see the box subs inside of it because, of course, it is a fourth order. There's a sealed section underneath, and then the ported side is where you're looking at, where the port comes out of. And he has 3M tape installed. It's a type of tape that helps airflow, seals all the cracks and leaks, and it actually helps SPL score. I've tested and proven. So go ahead and comment if you haven't already. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things, as well as give him a thumbs up. Comes a long way. So he's running a pretty beefy amplifier to these subs. The subs are rated at, I think, either 1500 or 2000 watts RMS, and he's got this thing wired down to half ohm with 90 amp hours of lithium, pushing a lot of power to them subs, but they're actually handling it really well, and he did really good numbers. Congrats to you, man. I know you've come a long way, as you were saying. Anybody looking at building a wall of subs inside of their car, such as an example, a fourth order like he did, or if you want to do a sixth order or a flat wall, putting all of the amplifiers, electrical, battery, wires, etc. ran all the way to the trunk gives you a lot more optimized space use for your box and enclosure to build into the vehicle, as well as you don't have to deal with vibration issues having everything in the back. So you did a really good job with that. And thank y'all for watching my daily cardio videos. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I got a lot more to come your way over the next few months. So we're going to get to the bass demo now. He's going to give us a really good song. Enjoy. frequent still too, man. Wow.
Yeah, it's real good though.
Nice.
I think that was like 27 hertz.
Yeah, you played really low. Mid-20s and still mid-30s doing really well too. Yeah. Awesome, man. Appreciate the demo. What was your name again?
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Thanks,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Really nice job. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.